Hello and welcome to BiGDUG's DIY how-tos. Today we're going to look at tiles and more specifically how you can cut a door jamb. I effectively want to put this tile into that space just there, so I need to cut that little jamb out of my tile. So how do we measure that? Here's a tip. Take the tile, butt it against the door frame, but bring it out a little bit. You always want to have a little gap. Mark on the tile where the door jamb goes there. Do the same to this side of the door jamb. Again, just bring it out a little bit. Mark either side of the door jamb. Use a square to line all those up. That's the cut I want. Just checking to see if it lines up. Don't forget your PPE. This is a top tip for marking out what you need to cut. This is obvious because we're going to cut out this little section, but always mark on a tile which bit is going to be cut and which bit you're going to save, because you don't want to cut the wrong bit. So I've marked it out. This is a Tungsten Carbide Saw. Now, to make it really accurate, you need to cut on the inside of the line because the saw blade is quite thick. To finish off the cut across here, I'm going to use our Scribe. Now you don't need any fancy tools, just a pair of pliers. And there you go, there's the shape cut out. And it fits in perfectly. If you liked the video, please subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and see you next time.